Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, cruise control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.